Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you didn't know, now you know. And today I'm going to be changing this into a photo wall. So let's get started. So I just printed out like 60 photos from Walgreens and it was super easy actually. But see, here's the thing. I have no idea how to do this. Like, I don't know how to get started or do anything. So you're just gonna come along with me. Okay, so I have all the photos laid out. And it is so much, but now I'm gonna like plan them how I want them to be on the wall, and then I'll tape them up. But this part is going to take a long time because I have no idea how I'm gonna organize them. So yeah. Update. I think I'm done. That one, I like found it on the floor and I'd already planned it all out. So this one's not being used. And also this one. So these two won't be being used. And yes, I know my Christmas tree is still up. I want to put it down. Don't worry, I'm tired of it. But now I have to put this up there. So all that work having to be done again.